Hello everyone, welcome back to our PowerShell tutorial series. Today we are going to learn about the basics of the PowerShell console. So let's open our software. For that I am going to open the run prompt. Just simply type here PowerShell and press enter. Basically, PowerShell is a powerful scripting language that allows you to automate tasks and manage systems. But before we can start writing scripts, we need to understand the basics of the PowerShell console. So now let's talk about some basic concept in PowerShell. So now let's see that how you can display a message in your console. Basically, you can display message in the console using the write host commandlet. So for that I am going to print the hello world. So write host, and you have to put your message in the double quotes. So for that I am going to put my hello world in the double quotes and just press enter. You can simply put your string, your quotes, your message in a single quotes also. So for that I am going to print one more message, write host, and this time I am going to put my strings in a single quotes. So welcome back to our PowerShell tutorial series, and just press enter and you will see that it will also work. So with the use of the write host command, you can print your message on the console. Here are few more commands. If you want to see the related properties of the command, so you can choose get help command. For example, I am going to show the dir command properties. So basically dir will show you the all the directories into the current directory. So I am going to show you the related properties of the dir. So if I am going to write dir, and for getting all the details related to the particular command, you have to just press the get help command, and yeah, we have made one mistake. We have put the incorrect format of the commandlet. So you have to just simply press the get help command and then you have to put your commandlet. Just press enter. After executing this get help commandlet with particular commandlet, you will see all the related properties of the given commandlet. And here you can see dir is alias. The actual command is get child item. You can see few syntax are given here. Same alias are gci, ls and dir, and here are few remarks. So you can check these things also. So after executing this get help command with the particular commandlet, you will see all the related properties. So one more commandlet I would like to discuss, that is get member. So if you want to show the related properties of the dir command, so you can also use get member commandlet. It will also show you the properties related to the particular commandlet. You can see name, member type and definition. So it will also show you the details related to the commandlet. Next thing, we would like to discuss the variables. So you can store values in a variables. For example, I am going to store the name of the PowerShell. So if you want to create one variable, then you have to use the dollar symbol and give the variable name. Like as I am going to give the name, and I am going to just store the name of the PowerShell. Just press enter, and if you want to see the value of the variable, then you have to just simply put the variable name with the dollar symbol and it will show you the values. Rather than variables, in this series we will be exploring about arrays, conditional statements, loops, functions, error handling, and much more topics related to the PowerShell. So you have to just stay connected. And that's it for the today's session. In the next session we will continue exploring more features and capabilities of the PowerShell. And if you have any questions or feedback, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more sessions. Thank you for watching this session. Happy learning. Bye bye.